Hi, in this video we're going to be going over the process of creating new categories for the staff faculty flow. First I'm going to go to Staff List Pro and select Staff Categories. This is the Staff Categories page. Now these are all the categories we have on the site for staff, and these are the ones that are used for the bios and placement on the full directory and the sub faculty pages as well. These are not the ones that show on the drop-down menus. That's a separate process which we're going to be going over as well. So first thing is creating the new category. In this case, and I assume it's going to be the most common case, is adding new concentrations to pre-existing departments. So in this case, I'm going to be adding one for art and design. Typically, you want to keep the same format as these, so look at them: art and design, space, long dash, space, name of the concentration, let's say sample concentration. I don't need to create a slug. Those are done automatically. You can also do it manually. These are basically how the URL are displayed here. We don't need to add a parent category for concentrations, and you could add a description if you want. So I'm going to be adding that. And that's it. You see it over here, the sample concentration. Now, if you needed to add a new department, let's say Department X, then yes, in this case, we add the parent category departments. Now let me go over those parent categories down here. Now as you can see, departments, then second level, art and design, arts online, community arts. If you were to create a new department, then you need to add a third level, faculty, staff, and director category. That's for the filtering on those department faculty pages, okay? So just keep that same format: Department X dash faculty, Department X dash staff, Department X dash director, and you would use the department as the parent page, so they would be nested like that. But let's get back to the concentration we've created and how we add it to the drop-down menus right here. So you see the sample concentration and the slug. Now let's copy this log, Control C. Now let's go to those drop-downs. Left menu, staff list search. Click on that. Staff list search. And we have the search form templates here: department, faculty, and concentrations. In this case, we go to concentrations filter. And we're going to scroll all the way down to filters. These are available filters. The first one is select. You can ignore that. And the second one is concentration. And these are all the concentrations that we have on this drop-down menu. So we're going to add a new one. Scroll all the way down, click on the plus sign, and this is where we're going to paste that slug that I copied before. Then the order. If we're going to change the order, this is what we would do: drag and drop. Since it's art and design, I'm going to pick the spot where it would go alphabetically. It would go right here. And then that's it. Once it's done, I go to the top right and click on Update. Now I go here and refresh the page. All concentrations. I'm going to click on all concentrations. Art and design, sample concentration is right here on the menu. If it were a new department, then you would simply go to staff list search and would click on department filter and follow the same step of copying that slog, coming all the way down and selecting the second filter and adding it here. Same process. I'm going to go ahead and delete that sample concentration for you after I'm done with the video. That is all. Thank you.